Greetings, punters. It's Ben here, and we are about to do the draw for game 555, and it is Kevin's slider for Amazing Spider-Man number 4. All right. We are going live, and it is currently 4:27 p.m. It is 4:27 p.m. on the world clock. All right, see how many spots we've got. We had Dak at number 1 and Tim at number 91. All right. Copy those. Alrighty, just double checking. Dak at number 1. No gaps, no spaces. It's all looking pretty good. Down to Mr. Weiss at 91. Alrighty. 3 dice roll. Okay, 2 and 2 is 4 and 6 is 10. 6 and 2 is 8 and 2 is 10. So here we go, randomizing the list 10 times. Number 1. Alrighty. It's 2. 3. 4. 5. Number 6. Number 7. All right, that is 8 times of 10. 2 and 2 is 4 and 6 is 10. We have 2 more to go. So, penultimate, this is 9. All right, 9 times. So next one is for the win of the Amazing Spider-Man number 4. Good luck, everybody. And there we have it, 10 times. All right, let's see. Yeah, and the winner of our Amazing Spider-Man number 4 is Jason. Here we are. Congratulations, Jason. You need to get in contact with Kevin to get hold of your book. Alrighty. We are done. Thanks very much for playing, everyone. Catch you next time.